What's up, guys? In this video I'll show you how to create an animation for your sidebars using Tailwind CSS, Nuxt 3 and Animate.css. So let's check it out. Yeah, so I'm at animate.style and I have my Nuxt 3 application here, just a demo application. You can see I already created a sidebar that works. So here's the code, and yeah, let's create a drawer variable and binded it on the sidebar. So the sidebar is inside a side element separate from the mobile navbar, and it has the vshow directive, meaning it's toggled on and off the screen. When I click this button, it sets the drawer to true, and when I click the close button, it sets the drawer to false. So uh yeah, let's add our animation and see how that works. So I'm here at animator style, and I will be using the CDN link to import into my Nox 3 application. I'll just copy this and go to my nox.config.ts. Then under the app, I will go to the add element, then link. Sorry, this an array. Say aha. So now the relation is style sheet, and we have our href to be this. Okay, now if we save that and go back to our browser, it might take some time to load. Okay, reload the page, make sure no errors. Okay, no JavaScript errors, sorry. Then let's go back to our application. Now Vue provides a transition component. It's an inbuilt component in Vue.js, and it allows you to add transition to elements that are toggled on and off the view page. So that's what I'll be using here. And yeah, please note the elements you have to wrap inside the transition element is the element that's carrying the directive, either the vif or vshow directive. That is the element that's toggled on and off of the page, is the one that should be wrapped inside the transition component. So if I cut this, then have the transition elements, then paste this in. So if we go back to our projects and we check this out, there's almost no difference. It's slightly, just slight amount of difference, but yeah, let's make it obvious then. So since we have animate CSS installed in our application already, transition element, the view transition element has the enter to class, the leave to class, the enter from class, the leave from class, the leave active class, the leave enter active class. So all we need for this animation, this cool animation sidebar, is just the leave to class and the enter to class. Sorry, the enter to class. So I'll use then all you have to do is to apply anime.css classes to this. Instead of creating your styles from scratch, you only have to add your animate.css styles here. So yeah, so I won't get you confused. This animate. So how did I get to know this? Go to anime.css, and you can see an example here. You have to use animated for whatever element you want to add animations for, animations to. So you have to add the animate animated first, then you add the name of the class name for the animation you want to apply to that element. So I already added the animate animated first, then just add the styles. uh, I already know the styles, but to get you started, you can just come here, select whatever style you want to add to your sidebar, and then I will be selecting sliding right and slide out right. So you can just click on it, check it out here, and click on the copy here to copy it. Make sure the animate animated is added first, then you paste that in. Oh, sorry, I don't think that's copied yet. Then copy this again and paste it in. Okay, so now we also add animate animated. Just add the class names to the enter to class and the leave to class of the transition element of Vue.js. So I'll click on slide out right. I can just check that one more time. Okay, guess this copied, then I'll paste this here. Okay, then if we save that and go back to our project, we can click and see. Woo, nice. So we see this smooth animation, but it's kind of too slow for me. You might like it like that, but yeah, let's do a bit of customization to that. Okay, so right here in our code, and we just create our style section here, and I'm gonna add this code attributes. Okay, so now you have to select the class names of whatever animations you added right here. So first you select animate animated, so that will be a class dot animate animated dot this, the name of the animation. So every animation is always prefixed by animate animated, so it's a constant. So we select the second style also, uh, animate animated dot animate slide out right, and paste that in. And okay, so now we add a little bit of animation, animation duration, and set that to say 0.5 seconds. Okay, then we save that and go back to our browser, and still a bit too slow. Just a bit faster, you know what, I'm just going to take that to 0.25. Okay, let's save that. Okay, a bit too fast. Well, not too bad, not too bad. You can just tweak this to whatever you think is better for you. So yeah, I think 0.4 we do. Okay, we have that perfect animation. So you could just try out different animation, the zoom out, up, anyhow you want to build your sidebars. It's just whatever works for you. You can flip in X and whatever. Okay, so yeah, this is all for this video. Please remember to like this video if you find it helpful. Share to your friends, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we release amazing content like this. Till next time, see you again. Thanks.